Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Jason and this is my very first vlog. I thought what better way to kick things off than with a trip to the beautiful city of Madrid. I've never been there before, so over the next few days I'll be exploring some of the city's most iconic spots, trying some amazing food and checking out the local culture. I'm also flying business class with Iberia from London, which I'll take you along for, and staying at the stunning Casa de las Artes Hotel. So if you're into travel, good vibes and discovering new places, you're in the right place. I'm testing out my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera for this trip, so hopefully you'll see some cool shots and some smooth footage. Fingers crossed. Make sure you stick around for the full adventure, and if you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more travel content coming soon. Alright, let's head to the airport and get this journey started. So this trip didn't go exactly to plan. The BA lounge was packed, Madrid greeted me with cold and rain, and to top it all off, I got sick and spent a whole day in bed. But hey, that didn't stop me from capturing some great moments along the way. Flying business class with Iberia was still a great experience. The seat was comfortable, the crew were friendly, the food was solid, and the views from above were, as always, incredible. Madrid itself, even in the rain, had its charm. I managed to get out and explore a little bit, taking in the architecture, the atmosphere, and of course, some incredible food. One place I couldn't miss was the Royal Palace of Madrid. Luckily, the weather was actually really nice that day, which made walking around the palace grounds even better. Now, I've always thought Buckingham Palace was impressive, but this place is nearly twice the size and it feels absolutely massive in person. If you're planning to visit, book your tickets well in advance because they do sell out, and, this is a big one, make sure you're in the right queue. Even with pre-booked tickets, it's not always clear where to go, and I definitely saw people waiting unnecessarily. So double check before you join the line. After the palace, I wandered through Plaza Mayor, taking in the energy of the square before heading to Mercado San Miguel, which, by the way, is foodie heaven. If you're into tapas, you could easily lose track of time here. From there I strolled through the cobbled streets around Opera, soaking up the old Madrid charm, before making my way to Círculo de Bellas Artes. And let me tell you, the rooftop view from up there is one of the best in the city. One of the highlights, dinner at Bibo by Daniel Garcia. For starters, I shared the Roubuchon king prawns and basil and the yellow corvina ceviche, both beautifully presented. For my main, I went for the roasted cod, which looked incredible. Unfortunately, I was still feeling under the weather, so I couldn't fully appreciate how the food tasted, but I wasn't about to give up just yet, so it was time to head back to the hotel bar for some cocktails, just to make sure. Back at the hotel, I treated myself to some cocktails at the bar, called Mache, a little taste of luxury to make up for a not so perfect trip. And speaking of luxury, Casa de las Artes was absolutely stunning. The room was stylish, comfortable, and honestly, I didn't mind spending extra time in bed given how nice the space was. But the real standout, the bathroom. The waterfall shower was already a dream, but the Cana Barcelona amenities took it to another level. If you don't know, it's a luxury Spanish fragrance brand, and trust me, the scents were incredible. And the water pressure? Absolutely on point. So while this vlog didn't turn out as planned, let's call it a lesson in rolling with the punches. Travel isn't always perfect, but there's always something to enjoy. Madrid really is a beautiful city, and I'll definitely be back again soon, just maybe not in February. On the bright side, I was really happy with how the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 performed. It's such a fun little camera to use. But what do you think of my first ever vlog? Let me know in the comments below. And I promise the next adventure will hopefully go a little smoother. See you soon.